Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.3% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World stocks paused near 6-week highs as investors girded for the busiest week of third-quarter earnings in the backdrop of slowing growth. El Salvador's digital Bitcoin wallet Chivo removed a pricing feature that allowed users to make rapid profits on trades as it steps up efforts to crack down on speculation involving the world's biggest cryptocurrency. The leaders of the tech world say it'll be almost a year at the very least before we see relief from the current supply crunch.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. S&P Case-Shiller home price indices will be released at 1300 GMT. The U.S. new home sales at 1400 GMT. The U.S. consumer confidence at 1400 GMT. The U.S. Redbook Index will be released at 1255 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 GMT. New Zealand's exports at 2145 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.